Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Archana Mhatre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department. In this video, we are going to study practical number 22 of the subject Electronic Measurement and Instrumentation. The aim of the practical is pH meter. Practical significance. pH meter is one of the important instruments used for chemical laboratories in industry. The pH of a solution can be measured accurately with the help of a pH meter. Measurement of pH is employed to monitor the cause of acid-base titration. This practical will help you to use the pH meter. Relevant program outcomes, discipline knowledge, experiments and practice engineering tools. Competency and practical skill is to maintain the electronic automated system in process and manufacturing in industries. Use measuring instrument. Measure accurately using Venturi tube. Select the instrument as per required range. Minimum theoretical background. The pH value of a solution is defined as the negative logarithm of hydrogen concentration. It is expressed in grams per ion liter. pH of a neutral solution is equal to minus log of 10 to the base 10 raised to minus 7 is equal to 7. Consequently, pH of a neutral solution is 7. pH of acidic solution is less than 7 and of on the other hand, pH of alkaline solution is greater than 7. pH value of distilled water is equal to 7. pH of a solution is tested by using the pH paper. This gives a different color with different values. In this practical, we will use the pH paper and check the color, and according to that, we'll decide the liquid is, that means the solution is acidic, alkaline, or it is a neutral solution. Now this is the practical setup for pH meter. In this diagram you can see here, this is the pH meter. This is the electrode which is directly dipped into the solution, and according to that the value of the pH of solution is displayed on this display. Now by using the pH paper, we can decide the type of solution by observing the color. When the green color of the paper occurs, then the solution is neutral. When blue color is there, then solution is base solution, and when the orange color is there, then solution is acidic solution. Now this is the actual experimental setup in our labs. Here I have taken the three solutions. First, when I dip the pH paper on first solution, this is the pH paper. When I dip the pH paper in first solution, then the color is blue color. That means this solution is base solution. When I dip the pH paper in second solution, then the color is green. That means it is a neutral solution. And when I dip the pH paper into third solution, then the color is orange. Then it is a acidic solution. So by observing the change in color of the pH paper, we can decide whether the solution is acidic, base or neutral. Now the resources required is pH meter or pH paper. Here in this, for performing this practical, we will use the pH paper. Now this is the observation table. Now I'll take the three solutions, solution 1, 2, 3, and by change of the color of the pH paper, we can decide the type of solution. Then as shown in diagram, when the color of the pH paper is orange, then the type of solution is acid. When the color is blue, then it's a base solution. And when the color of pH paper is green, then the solution type is neutral solution. Now these are the practical related questions. Define term pH value. What is the pH of water? Which different methods are used for determination of pH? Describe working of pH electrode. Thank you.